everyone, welcome to my channel, and today's topic for the class is nested for loop. So in this video first we will talk about what is nested loop, and then we will come to the nested for loop. So what is nested loop? Nested loop means loop within another loop. So when you use one loop within another loop, that is called nested loop. And loop can be any. It is not necessary that it is only for loop. It can be any loop like while loop or do while loop. But in this video we will talk about only for loop. Fine. So when I say loop within another loop, again it doesn't mean that only one loop can be within another loop. There can be many number of loops. And if you believe on internet, there can be 500 loops you can use as a nested loop. Right. So let's start. So if I say I want to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So if I want to display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if I want to use loop for this, so how will I use loop? For int j equals to 1, j less than equals to 5, j plus plus, and then system dot out dot print. What I have to print? J only. So I will print j, and for space I will write plus, and this is for one space, right? Fine. So as there is only one statement, I am not giving any braces. Okay. So how will it run? How this loop will run? In j equals to 1. J is initially 1. J less than equals to 5. Condition is true. Then j will be displayed. So what is j? 1. So 1 will be displayed. Then space. Again j will become 2. Then 2 will be displayed. Same way 3, 4, 5. How horizontal? Because I have given here print, not println. Fine. So system dot out dot print. We have displayed j only. So this loop will run 5 times. J will run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have displayed it with space. So fine. So output of this is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is simple loop, right? This we have already done. Now if I say I want to display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to repeat this first row how many times? 4 times. It means I want to repeat this loop 4 times, right? And for that I will use another loop, and that is called outer loop, to repeat this loop 4 times, right? For int I equals to 1. How many rows I want? 4. I less than equals to 4. I plus plus, right? And then opening braces of outer loop, right? Then inner loop. Then we have closed that. Now see, if I equals to 1, then j equals to 1 to 5. Means for each iteration of outer loop, inner loop will run completely, or inner loop will run for specified number of times. When I equals to 1, inner loop will run 5 times. J will run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when I is 1. Right? Now what I want? So after displaying 5, I want cursor to come in the next line, right? So where shall I give the system.out.println? After the inner loop. So as there is only one statement, we have not given the braces. If confusion is there, you can give the braces also. Fine. So this is our inner loop, and after inner loop, I will write system dot out dot print ln, and we will keep it blank. Purpose of this is only to bring the cursor to the next line. right? Now see, now we will close the outer loop. So this is the outer loop, this one, right? This is outer loop and this one is inner loop, this one, inner, right? This is inner loop. So how does it work? See, for each iteration of outer loop means when I is 1, J will run 5 times. I1 हुआ, J कितनी बार? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be displayed. Then after completing the inner loop, a control will come outside the inner loop, not outside the outer loop. अभी outer loop के अंदर ही है, ठीक है? Inner loop से बाहर आया, तो system dot out dot println. What does it mean? Cursor should come to the next line. Fine. Then again it will go there. What is the value of I? 2 now. Fine. For the second iteration. For this. For the second iteration, for the second row, again inner loop will run 5 times. So again this will, what will be displayed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be displayed. Again after completing the inner loop, control will come outside and then cursor will come to the next line. Still it is inside the outer loop. Again it will go there, I3, same process. Inner loop will repeat 5 times. Again it will come out, I4, same process, and 4 rows will be displayed. Fine. As we have taken I less than equals to 4. So this inner loop will be repeated how many times? 4 times. And these 4 rows will be displayed. Fine. I hope you have understood. So first loop we have used J loop. We have used to repeat this. Fine. See, mostly we take J for columns to display the columns. These are the columns vertical. And to display the rows we use the I. So how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I1, I less than equals to 4 we have taken for displaying for loop. Fine. And how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So J will run 5 times. And what we have to display? As we want only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have displayed J only. Understood? Now see, if I replace here, if I replace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with asterisk, if I say I want to display here asterisk, so what changes shall I do? Same as it is. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Fine. So 5 asterisk in 1 row and how many rows? 4 rows. Same hai. So I will be up to 4 only. J will be 1 to 5. 5 times it will learn. What we have to display? We have to display asterisk, not J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we don't want to display. So what should I do? I should replace J with asterisk. So what will I do? I will replace J with asterisk. This is the thing only. Fine. This will be your next program. Fine. I hope you have understood now the working of nested for loop. Now the next program is write a program to display this pattern. So this pattern you have to display by using nested loop only. Fine. So first we will understand this pattern. So first we will see how many rows are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 rows are there. Fine. Now if you see in first row only 1 asterisk is there. In second row 2 asterisk. Third row 3 asterisk. 4 asterisk and 5 asterisk. So what does it mean? It means if I is 1, J is also 1. If I is 2, if you remember, I indicates number of rows. First row means I1, right? J is only 1 column. When I is 2, second row, J 2 columns. Fine. I3, J is also 3 columns. When I4, J is also 4. So how shall I do? See, if obviously that will be program only. So you need to write again the class the same process, and then the public static void main. So one I am making completely class. So all these are pattern based. So I am writing here pattern, right? Then public static void main string args. Then now we will start with for loop. For now, first outer loop we are talking about, and the outer loop we use for rows. So if I equals to 1, I less than equals to how many rows are there? 5 rows. So I less than equals to 5, I plus plus. Right? Now, this is the opening braces of outer loop. Now inside the outer loop, we will use the inner loop for columns. Int j equals to 1, j लेस देन इक्वल्स टू कितनी बार j चलना चाहिए, कितनी बार कॉलम, जितना उस i की वैल्यू है. When i 1 है तो j भी 1 है, when i 2 है j भी 2 है, i 3 है तो j भी 3 है. तो what shall I do here? Int j equals to 1, j less than equals to I. So I will write here I only. Right? Same number of columns I want as the number of rows. One row, one column. Second row, 2 columns. So j less than equals to I. And what will I display? SOP system dot out dot print. And you will write complete system dot out dot print, not println. What I have to display? Asterisk. Then plus 4 space, 1 space. So with 1 space, I will put double quotes, then semicolon, right? Then I will write SOPLN or system.out.println. System.out.println. Fine? This is to bring the cursor to the next line. Now see, and now we will close the outer loop, we will close the main function, and then we will close the class. So this is the program for this pattern. See how will it work. I 1. So j will go 1 to 1 only one time, right? Because as the value of I is 1. One asterisk will be displayed, right? Then with space, doesn't matter here, space. Now after completing this inner loop, when the cursor will, when the execution come out, then system.out.println. So cursor will come to the next line, right? Then I will become 2. So j will go 1 to 2, right? So 2 times inner loop will run. This is inner loop. Again I am telling, as the only one statement is there, no need to give braces. Otherwise, if you are getting confused, I am giving the braces. Otherwise, it's not mandatory. Fine. So this is the inner loop, right? So 1 to 2, 2 times this loop will work, and 2 times star will be displayed. Fine. After completing this inner loop, when the execution come out, again the cursor will come here in the next line. Then I will become 3. 3 times will loop go this inner loop, 1 to 3. So 3 asterisks will be displayed, 1 2 3, right? After completing this, when the loop execution comes out, system.out.println will bring the cursor here, next line. Again I 4 hai, so 4 times loop will go, 4 asterisk will be displayed. Same way it will come out. I 5, 5 times inner loop, 5 times asterisk will be displayed, and when it come out, it will come out. Then I equals to, when I becomes 6, then it will come out from the this outer loop. Now the next program is, write a program to display this pattern. So if you can see, when I is 1, how many columns are there? 1 2 3 4 5. When I is 2, how many columns are there? 1 2 3 4. Fine. So what can be done? We can run the outer loop in decreasing order. Like I equals to 5, I greater than equals to 1, and I minus minus. so that when I is 5, j is also 5, right? When I is 4, j is also 4. When I is 3, j is also 3. There can be another way also, but if you can understand this way, this would be more easy. Fine. So what can be done? 4 int I equals to 5, I greater than equals to 1, I minus minus. So 5 rows we want. This also will work 5 times, and 1 to 5 will also work 5 times. But it would be easy because when I is 5, j is also 5. When I is 4, j is also 4. Fine. So inner loop will be 4 int j equals to 1, j less than equals to I. So first times you want 5 columns. So j should run 1 to 5. Then 1 to 4 next time. So inner loop will be j equals to 1, j less than equals to I, and j plus plus. Because when I is 5, j is also 5. When I is 4, j is also 4. Right? So that's why we have given here j less than equals to I. Then what we have to display? System dot out dot print. Okay, what we have to display? J. No. J. See, when I 5, j will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we want? We want 5 only. So if I display I, then 5 will be displayed because I will be 5 and j will run 5 times. Fine. So I will be constant 5 only. I equals to 5. J will run 5 times. So 5 times will be displayed what? I only. फाइन. सो आई 5 है, j 1 to 5 चला, 5 बार चला, 5 बार क्या प्रिंट किया? i को. i क्या है हमारा? 5 ओनली, कॉन्स्टेंट है. फाइन. सो i 5 5 5 with 1 space we have displayed. So when it comes out after displaying 5 times, then we want cursor in the next line. So same way we will give system dot out dot println to bring the cursor in the next line. Fine. This is the outer loop closing. Fine. So cursor will come to the next line. I का वैल्यू कितना हुआ? 4. J कितनी बार चला? 1 to 4. डिस्प्ले क्या हुआ? 4 ओनली. I 4 है, राइट? तो 4 कितनी बार डिस्प्ले हुआ? 4 टाइम्स. 4 4 4 4. फिर when the control comes out from the inner loop, println, cursor comes to the next line. I का वैल्यू कितना हो गया? 4 से 3 डिक्रीमेंट हो रहा है. I 3 हो गया. इनर लूप कितनी बार चला? 1 to 3. ठीक है, 3 टाइम्स चला. क्या डिस्प्ले हुआ? I का वैल्यू. I का क्या है? 3. सो 3 3 3. फाइन. कर्सर नेक्स्ट लाइन. I 2 हुआ. इनर लूप 2 बार चला. 1 to 2. डिस्प्ले क्या किया? I को, दैट इज 2 ओनली. 2 2. सेम वे लास्ट इज 1. So this is the program. I hope you have understood. Next program is to display this pattern. Now if you see this pattern, how many rows are there? 1 2 3 4 5, and j is also the same as the value of I. I1 jb1, I2 jb2, I3 jb 3 बार चला, I4 4 rows, j4 columns. Again I am telling, when I is 4 means 4th row, how many columns are there? 1 2 3 4. So same number. Fine. So what we have to display? When I is 1 only. When I is 2, j कितनी बार चला? 1 2. When I is 3, j कितनी बार चला? 1 2 3. And the same thing we are displaying here. 1 2 1 2 3. So what shall I do here? 4 int I equals to 1. I less than equals to, how many rows are there? 5. I plus plus. Right? Then for inner loop, int j equals to 1, j less than equals to I, j plus plus. What we have to display? We have to display, I am writing SOP only, system dot out dot print. what we have to display? See, I1 J1, I2 J1 2, I3 J1 2 3. So what we have to display? J only. So I will display J with space, right? Then system dot out dot println, same way. This is the, I hope you have understood this. Okay, so the next program is write a program to display this pattern. So this is the pattern now, fine. So what is the pattern? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So if you can see this pattern, how many rows are there? Again 1 2 3 4 5. 5 rows are there. J is same as the value of I. I1 JB1, I2 JB2 bar, I3 है तो JB3 बार, I4. Now if you see what we have to display, neither we have displayed I 1 2 2 3 3 3 नहीं है, J भी नहीं है, 1 1 2 1 2 3 भी नहीं है, right? तो I भी नहीं है, J भी नहीं है. So it means we have taken some another variable, right? एक वेरिएबल लिया है जिसका इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है 1 फिर 2 3 फिर 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 फिर 11 12 13 14 15. So we have taken one variable, initialize with 1 and keep on increasing by 1 and keep on displaying that. Fine. So how should I display it? For int I equals to 1, I less than equals to 5 सेम रहेगा, 5 rows हैं, J भी सेम रहेगा 1 to I, right? जितना I है उतना ही J है. Fine. So what I have to display? I will take one variable and that is int. Let it be a equals to 1. Fine. A1 है. Before outer loop we have initialized that variable. तो SOP or system dot out dot print we will display what? A को display कर दें. Then with space, one space, right? Then we have to keep on increasing value of a by 1. A equals to a plus 1, right? And then inner loop will be closed, and then we will write system dot out dot println to bring the cursor in the next line. So let's see, let's understand. When I1 for first row, J कितनी बार चला? 1 to 1, one time only. What is the value of A? 1 है, तो 1 will be displayed, right? Then after displaying 1, A का value कितना हो गया? A equals to A plus 1, 2 हो गया, ठीक है? But as the inner loop will run only 1, because I का value 1 है, तो एक ही बार चलेगा. तो A का वैल्यू 2 हो गया, बट वो दोबारा डिस्प्ले नहीं करेगा. A का वैल्यू 2 हो गया, इनर लूप से बाहर आ गया, ठीक है? जब इनर लूप से बाहर आया तो कर्सर भी आपका नेक्स्ट लाइन में आ गया और A का वैल्यू अभी हमारा 2 हो गया, राइट? देन I 2 हुआ, I का वैल्यू 2 हो गया, इंक्रीमेंट आउटर लूप में ही है अभी हम, ठीक है? I 2 हुआ तो J कितनी बार चला? 1 से लेके 2 तक 2 बार लूप चलेगा, फाइन. डिस्प्ले क्या कराएगा? A को, A का वैल्यू कितना था लेटेस्ट? 2, तो 2 विल बी डिस्प्लेड. देन A इक्वल्स टू A प्लस 1, A का वैल्यू कितना हो गया? 3, तो 2 बार लूप चलेगा. फिर से यहाँ जाएगा सिस्टम डॉट आउट प्रिंट 3, 2 और 3, 2 वैल्यूज विल बी डिस्प्ले बिकॉज इनर लूप आपका 2 बार चला. तो 2 and 3 बोथ विल बी डिस्प्ले, फाइन. नाउ अगेन A का वैल्यू कितना हो गया? 4, अभी वापस नहीं जाएगा, ठीक है? वो डिस्प्ले हो गया आपका. उसके बाद चेक करेगा तो कंडीशन विल बी फॉल्स, कम आउट हो जाएगा. कम आउट हुआ तो A का वैल्यू कितना था? 4, फाइन. सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट प्रिंटलन, कर्सर नेक्स्ट लाइन में आया. अगेन व्हेन I 3, तो लेटेस्ट वैल्यू A की कितनी थी हमारी? 4, तो 4 डिस्प्ले हो गया. 3 बार लूप चला, I 3 है, 4 5 6, ठीक. फिर बाहर आया, कर्सर नेक्स्ट लाइन में आया, I की वैल्यू 4 हो गई, लेटेस्ट वैल्यू 7 हो चुकी थी हमारी. 7 8 9 10, 4 बार लूप चलेगा 1 to 4. सेम वे नेक्स्ट टाइम 5 टाइम्स चलेगा, 11 12 13 14 15. So this is the way nested loop will work. I hope you have understood this. Now we will see the last program of this video, and that is to display this pattern. So as you can see the pattern, so first 5 4 3 2 1, 5 4 3 2, 5 4 3, 5 4 and 5. So if you see this pattern, again how many rows are there? 5 rows are there, right? Now the J will go from 5 to 1 when the I is 1, 5 to 2 when the I is 2, 5 to 3 when the I is 3, 5 to 4 when the I is 4. So what you have observed, that it will go, J will go from 5 to I, you can say I1 है तो 5 to 1, I2 है तो 5 to 2, I3 है तो 5 to 3, right? So what we have to do, first outer loop will go int I equals to 1, I less than equals to 5, I plus plus, as the 5 rows are there. Now what about J? 4 int J equals to 5 से start है तो we will write 5 J greater than equals to I, right? And J minus minus. What we have to display? We have to display, we write system dot out dot print. What we have to display? We are displaying J only, because when I is 1, J will go 5 4 3 2 1. When I is 2, J will go 5 4 3 2. So if we display I, then the purpose will be solved. J with space, right? And as there is one statement, again I am telling it's not mandatory to give, but at the initial stage you have to understand where is the inner loop, where is the outer loop. That's why I am putting this bracket, fine? Okay, after inner loop, system dot out dot print ln. This is, here the outer loop will be closed, here the class main is closed, here the class is closed. So this is the thing. So I1 J 5 to 1, I2 5 to 2. I hope you have understood this. So in this video we have made 5 to 6 programs. So I am sure now after making those programs you will be able to solve these problems, fine? So these are the very similar programs. So this is the time to check your progress. So after watching this video you will make all these programs, and if any problem you can write me in the comment box. So that's it in this video. Thanks for the watching.